welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. As you can see from the title, we're going to be talking about the new, latest, and we'll see if it's the greatest, but the new PHLUR Golden Rule. Yes, so I have my full thoughts and wanted to come to my family, of course, to give you all my full review and thoughts on this fragrance. Let's get into it. So you all know how we do this. We start off with versatility. Do I think that this fragrance is versatile? And when I think of versatile, I think you can wear this any season, anytime, any occasion. You're good to go, okay? Do I think this is versatile? No. I honestly don't think this is versatile, and I say that because if I were going to like a formal event or something like that, a date night, even if I was going to a more uppity girls, day out or night out, this would not be one that I would grab, or, I can't think, just whatever. Okay. Like this is not one that I grab and don't have to think about it. No. So where would I wear this? What occasion would I wear this for? Since I don't think this is versatile, this fragrance to me would be my errand, like stay at home, definitely like a casual everyday fragrance, okay? This to me does not give me very regal, it doesn't give me belle of the ball, even church. Like, I don't even think I would wear this to church. It would definitely have to be a very casual setting, day, maybe a picnic in the park, just something very casual. Now, packaging. Packaging for me, I love the packaging. I will say, I don't like that, like, anytime I touch this bottle, it will have fingerprints on it. It is what it is. And so I will say that's not the most thrilling thing that I enjoy. However, the packaging to me is very cute, very compact. It is very gold, white, definitely a neutral setting. So I can see this fitting on your dresser for like the everyday neutral palette. If that's what you have going on in your room, I can see this vibing on your dresser or wherever you have your fragrances, on a bookshelf, on a shelf. I can see this vibing very well. But packaging, I will say, and because it kind of fits in your hand, very compact, it's easy to spray and use, quick grab and go. I love the packaging. I don't have any beef with the packaging. Now, price. Price is $99, okay? So for this compact juice, pricing, do I think it's worth it? The jury's out on that. I was able to purchase this with some points, so I didn't pay full price for this. However, if I could have waited for a discount for this fragrance, I would have. Let's just say I would not spend full price on this fragrance. It is $99, but I mean, there's other fragrances that are worse, is what I'm thinking in my mind, but I wouldn't pay $99 full outright for this. I would probably stick with travel size and call it what it is until there's a good discount, and then I would pick up the full bottle. Now, is this more feminine or masculine, sis? I feel like this is definitely more feminine. This gives me feminine flair. If you like that type of thing, my brothers, cool. You do you with this. But I definitely think this pulls more feminine than masculine. Now, this was launched this year, so let's get into the notes, shall we? Yeah, let's. So notes, we have mandarin, pear, pink pepper, We have orange flower water. We have coconut milk jasmine, vanilla benzoin, and my favorite, sandalwood. All right. Well, sis, let's get into the nitty gritty. Tell me about this fragrance. You know, I had to get the review things out the way, blah, 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 blah. But let's get into my real thoughts and experience, shall we? Yeah, let's get into it. So, during my first impression, you all experienced my first impression with me. I kept saying this reminded me of like Givenchy Irresistible, which I have right here, okay? So I really wanted to smell this together to see how it compares to each other, because again, I have a lot of thoughts on this. So, let me see. This is PHLUR, okay? Yeah, so still the same. It does give me Irresistible Givenchy, and this is the Eau de Parfum, okay? Definitely gives me the same vibes as PHLUR Golden Rule. Now, this is at first initial spray, okay? First initial spray, and it might be because of that pear. This pear is so crisp in here, as I feel the same way about Golden Rule. This pear is very crisp. I know that my first impression, I was getting peach. And again, that might be a combination of the orange that's in this. But I was definitely getting the peach vibes when I first initially sprayed. But when I sprayed this a second time, okay? Because I've worn this fragrance, I'm going to say about 4 times so far, because I was really complex. We're going to get into it, but I've been wearing this quite a lot to give you all my full thoughts. So the second time that I sprayed and smelled this, it reminded me of Prada Paradox. Yes. I was like, yo, this is giving me something else. I was like, it's giving me Prada. And I smelled it and I was like, yes, 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 yes. So, yeah. Yes. So I don't know if the orange was pulling more for me that day than the pear, but it definitely gave me remnants of Prada Paradox. So all that to say, if you have either of these, Prada Paradox or Irresistible Givenchy Eau de Parfum, if you have either of these, I would say if you like those type of vibes, you would like this at the opening. Yeah, let's get into it. At the opening, I feel you would like this. So, as I went through my day and experiencing, I would say I got about, I would say about 4 hours. When I thought I was pulling over to the 6 hour, it was definitely close to skin. My nose had to go into my wrist to even smell it, right? Now, I will say the challenging part for me with this fragrance is the dry down. And maybe it's the coconut milk, maybe it's the latonic vibes, maybe it's the benzoin, I don't know. But in the middle, it is very challenging. Like challenging in a way like I don't know if I like it or not. Like it has me like baffled and going back and forth. And I mean, I was like, do I like this? Oh, do I not like the dry down? Like I was questioning my questions. It was very challenging in the middle. So I don't know. And the jury is still out on the dry down part of it. And again, I've worn this about 4 times and still have not come up with a, do I like it? Do I not? This has been very, 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 very hard fragrance to review and come to you all about. But the opening gives me these fragrances. The opening I love. Okay, the opening I love. It's just at that dry down where sometimes I like it, and then other times I'm like, what is that? That is annoying the mess out of me, and I don't like that. So, would I recommend you blind buying this because all the hype is out there in the fragrance streets? Like, no. No, get you the travel size. Get you the travel size and see if you vibe with it fully, okay? I'm a little sad, not sad, kind of sad that this is my first full bottle of PHLUR because I really wanted to enjoy it. You all know how I am about pear. I love me some pear, and a pear note does the body good. But I feel like I get the pear note at initial spray. Like initial spray, I love it. I adore it. I smell that juicy pear. I smell even the orange in it, like the citrus. You know, I love the opening. It's just when it gets to that dry down, I'm like, yeah, I don't know. I don't know about this one. But compliments, I will say I didn't get any. And I've worn this quite a few times, right? Outside, to work, you know, I've worn this quite a few times and I haven't gotten any compliments with this fragrance. So again, not to say that you won't get compliments. I, in my experience, did not get compliments with this fragrance. Do I regret this purchase? I think I regret getting the full bottle. I will say that, right? I feel like if I would have gotten the travel size, you know, I could have seen, like, do I really vibe with this? Is this really my jam? And I think that is definitely me in this season. I just need, no matter if the hype is there, the girlies love it, the girls talking like, ooh, yeah. I need the travel size. I need to experience it before I am pushing, no matter how much it is, right? Whatever those coins are, I need to test it before purchasing because I am in a season that I don't, disappointment and just spending my coins on disappointments, pick somebody else. Pick somebody else to do it, okay? Not me. So I am definitely going to get more into travel size, testing things out, even if it's hype around the fragrance street. I'm just going to wait. I don't have nothing to prove. I am going to wait, and I wish I would have. Now, I will not, I very much have a hard time decluttering anything that my coins was spent on. I'm not that mature yet. I have not reached that pinnacle of declutteration. I've told you all that before. That's not my life right now. So I will use this. I think for me, it would be more when I'm working in the house, very easy errand type of thing. But because of that challenging dry down, I don't know how often, to be honest with you, that I would wear this, okay? I might have to put this on a tray just so I can, you know, it's just get it out, girl. But I'm going to have to pair this fragrance with something else. Now, I will say, I did wear the, I want to say it's Perfect Pear, but off the top of my head, because I don't have it in front of me, but the body oil from Brown Sugar Babe. That's what it is. I think it's Perfect Pear. Yes, I believe that's the name. Okay. Perfect. Okay. AI the Great's collaboration creation with the Brown Sugar Babe. Don't get me started. I can do a whole video on that oil alone. Anyway, pairing that beauty. Oh, sorry, I have it on now. I just smell me. But pairing that beauty with this challenging fragrance, I think that I will be able to survive utilizing this. So those are my full thoughts. I would love to know your experience with the new PHLUR Golden Rule. Did you have a great experience? Are you kind of like me? You're kind of like, the opening was amazing, sis. The dry down, we're in question mode, okay? We're still thinking about it, okay? I would love to know your thoughts. Comment down below. Give me all your tea on the fragrance and more. I mean, if you got more tea to spill, just comment down below. Well, family, make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some, yeah, you said it, grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.